The Xiaomi Redmi Bud 3 Pro costs $60 and the Nothing Air one costs $99. So is the Redmi Bud 3 Pro a better choice because it is $30 cheaper, or is that extra $30 better spent on the Nothing Air one? Let's find out. Both of these wireless earbuds share a similar feature like USB-C, Qi charging, replaceable silicone tips, Bluetooth 5.2, IPX4 rating, support for 3 mics, touch gesture support, and active noise cancellation. But where things diverge is the Nothing Air one has longer battery life rated at 34 hours, 11.6mm speaker driver, and the design of the Nothing Air one is more futuristic with its transparent case and a STEM designed earbuds. In comparison, the Redmi Bud 3 Pro's battery life is rated at 28 hours, 9mm speaker driver. The design of the Redmi Bud 3 Pro is conservative with a egg-shaped case that uses a matte gray color, and the buds themselves are stemless with a glossy material that draws attention to the bud like flashy earrings. Wearing both of these earbuds are comfortable as long as you use the correct ear tip that fits well for your ear. Starting with the Nothing Air one, which was more comfortable to wear for a longer period of time because of the pressure relieving vent, but I found the buds will move around more often in my ears when compared to the Redmi Bud 3 Pro tip, which fitted tighter and it stayed locked in place for a longer period of time before needing to be readjusted. And how these buds will fit in your ear will vary from person to person. I'll be using the mic of each of these wireless earbuds to show you the audio quality you can expect from each one. I will also be enabling ANC and then enable transparency mode, so starting with the Nothing Air one, then moving on to the Redmi Bud 3 Pro. Let's get started. Call quality was good on the Nothing Air one. The caller's voice sounds loud and clear. ANC is acceptable, and for the most part does sufficient job with preventing outside noises from getting too distracting. Listening to music was just as enjoyable. The bass is punchy and the little detail is more noticeable, and watching video was even better with the little details like bird chirping, footsteps, and background instruments sounding rich and clear, and these little details really adds to the immersiveness feel of the video. In-ear detection or pausing media did not perform as I liked it and failed more than I expected. Touch gesture was okay for the most part. The bud could detect and respond but wasn't as quickly as I liked it. And there are support for companion apps, so the feature like touch gesture, EQ, and ANC can be changed to my liking. Call quality was acceptable on the Redmi Bud 3 Pro. The caller's voice does not sound as loud and as clear as the Nothing Air one, but ANC did a better job with blocking outside noises and allowed me to focus on my video calls or music with little distraction. Speaking of music, sound quality was balanced overall and felt smooth. It definitely wasn't as bass boosted like the Nothing Air one. Now watching video was good enough, but little detail like bird chirping, footsteps, and background instruments sounded flat when compared to the Nothing Air one, and I found at times there wasn't enough separation between the sound effect and the voice, which can take away from the immersiveness feeling of watching a video. In-ear detection worked quicker with resuming and pausing and was really an issue for me. Touch gesture was more responsive than the Nothing Air one, but there are no companion app support, so phones outside of the Xiaomi phone are stuck with the default settings. Both of these earbuds were released around the same time and offer a competitive feature, and with the Xiaomi Redmi Bud 3 Pro being around $30 cheaper, it would have been easy to recommend it, but I found myself preferring the Nothing Air one over the Xiaomi Redmi Bud 3 Pro because of its better audio quality, companion app support for Android and iOS, more touch gesture support, comfortable fit, and better design. So my question to you is, which of these two wireless earbuds do you like more? Let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.